Welcome to Kranti Orissa News. First ever LED-based floodlight has been inaugurated at the historic Baravati Stadium, Cuttack, ahead of the T20 international match to be played between India vs South Africa on the 12th of June 2022. The ceremony was graced by the august presence of Chief Guest Shri Sameer Ranjan Honorable Minister, School and Mass Education Guest of Honour Shri R. Vaini Krishna, Commissioner cum Secretary, Sports of Orissa Shri Subhash Chandra Singh Mayor, CMC, and Shri Asirvad Behera, Secretary OAA, Foreign Ex-Secretary OCA, along with all the office bearers of Orissa Cricket Association, namely, Shri Pankaj Lochan Mahanti, President, Shri Sanjay Behera, Secretary, Mehtab Khan, Joint Secretary, and Shri Bikash Pradhan, Treasurer.